today's video, we are going to unbox jewelry boutique. So, let's start. Let's open it. Open. Let's start. So, it's open now. It has many colorful beads and stuff. We have strings, some hooks and lots of beads and a man. So अब इसके ऊपर ये प्लास्टिक लेयर है. Let's remove it. So first of all we have our manual. We have our manual. If you want, you can see from here and create your very own jewelry. And now we have some heartbeats, very cute and heartbeats. We have some Hello Kitty beads. These beads that kind of look like flower pots, and cute little rabbit beads. Teddy bears, butterflies, and more hearts. Crowns if it is someone's birthday. And we have some elephant beads. Very some design kind of rangoli beads. Some suns, colorful suns. More flowers, teddy bears, and some alphabet beads. You can use the alphabets to write your friend's name, write it's for friendship day, or write happy birthday. So it's for all that stuff. So meet you in the next video. Bye.